Yes, very warm good morning. We recapitulate the thing about principal quantum number and children. When we talked about principal quantum number, why there is a need to study about these quantum numbers. So we have to learn about the orbit and orbital. So then after we have idea that what they exactly said about. First we learn about the quantum number, then we will moving to the orbit as well as orbital. So when we talked about the principal quantum number, it is denoted by small n. It determines the size of the orbital. वो क्या डिटरमाइन करता है, वो क्या आइडेंटिफाई करेगा, साइज, ऑर्बिटल की साइज कितनी है वो इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी डिटरमाइन. देन न्यूक्लियस से इलेक्ट्रॉन कितना दूर है, द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द इलेक्ट्रॉन, द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम द न्यूक्लियस, it is going to be measured by principal quantum number n. If the value of n increase, at the same time electron starts to move away from the nucleus. That means कि अगर principal quantum number n की वैल्यू बढ़ रही है तो इलेक्ट्रॉन न्यूक्लियस से दूर चला जाएगा, जिसकी वजह से वो लूजली बाउंड होगा और easily it is going to be loose from the orbital. So that what we have learned in the last previous lecture. Today we are just going to learn about the azimuthal quantum number, or we can say that orbital quantum number, or we can say that subsidiary quantum number. So here what we have learned about the principal quantum number, we recapitulate the thing. So you just write in this manner also that it is denoted by n. It says about the size of the orbital, it says about the डिस्टेंस ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम द न्यूक्लियस. अगर n की वैल्यू बढ़ रही है तो इलेक्ट्रॉन न्यूक्लियस से दूर चला जाएगा, जैसे ही वो दूर जाता है तो लूजली बाउंड होगा, जिसकी वजह से वो इजीली क्या होगा, लॉस फ्रॉम द ऑर्बिटल. द सेकेंड इज एजीमुथल क्वांटम नंबर. इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज ऑर्बिटल मोमेंट, एंगुलर मोमेंटम क्वांटम नंबर एंड सब्सिडरी क्वांटम नंबर. सो चिल्ड्रन एग्जाम में ये तीन याद रखने हैं कि एजीमुथल क्वांटम नंबर है जो ऑर्बिटल एंगुलर मोमेंटम से या तो सब्सिडरी क्वांटम नंबर से इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी देयर नोन बाय 3 ऑफ द डिफरेंट नेम्स. नाउ वी लर्न अबाउट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इट. इट इज़ डिनोटेड बाय स्मॉल l. It determines, that means it says us about the angular momentum. Now what is angular momentum? When we'll talk about angular momentum is nothing but it is related with mass, velocity and radius of the orbital as well as the electron, that with how much of speed the electrons are moving in the orbit. It also says us about the 3 different dimensional shapes of the orbital. हमने 3 different dimension पढ़े हैं, dimensional x, y and z. तो it is going to be says us about the 3 different dimensional shapes of the orbital, कि जो orbital s है वो कौन से डायमेंशन में, 3 डायमेंशन में है कि नहीं, 2 डायमेंशन में है कि 1 डायमेंशन में है. नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू फॉर n. हमने देखा कि व्हेन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट द प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर n, इट स्टार्ट्स विथ 1, 2, 3 इंटीजर. इट्स नॉट स्टार्ट्स विथ 0, बट हियर द एजीमुथल क्वांटम नंबर इज गोइंग टू बी स्टार्ट बाय 0. सो व्हेन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट वैल्यू ऑफ l, it is going to be there counted by the formula n minus 1. Okay, so we'll starting with the principal quantum number n is equal to 1. You can see here n is equal to 1. So how we'll finding out the value of n? 1 minus 1. So l is equal to, here we are getting that 0. तो जब भी n, that means principal quantum number n 1 होगा और सब्सिडरी क्वांटम नंबर l इज इक्वल टू 0, तो वो जो भी सबशेल नोटेशन है वो होगी s. अभी तक हमने जो शेल्स देखी थी दैट इज़ अबाउट k शेल, l शेल, m शेल एंड n शेल. Children, when we talked about this, due to the higher number of electrons, they are not going to fulfill their arrangements. So then after, now we have to learn about the orbit and orbitals. The difference between orbit and orbitals. Before that we have to learn about this quantum number. So again we just look on that azimuthal quantum number. azimuthal quantum number के बारे में अगर बात करते हैं तो उसके 2 अलग two particulars names are they given. It is also known as orbital angular momentum or subsidiary quantum number. Then it is denoted by small letter L. It determines the angular momentum mvr. That means it says us about the velocity of the electron, mass of the electron and radius of the orbital. It says us about the different dimension shapes of orbital. So the formula for finding out L is n minus 1. That means L starts with 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. So very first, if we are taking the principal quantum number n is equal to 1, then the value of L is equal to 1 minus 1, 0. तो जब भी n 1 होगा और L 0 होगा तो जो सबशेल है वो होगी s और उसमें नंबर ऑफ ऑर्बिटल जो है वो होगा 1. सो डेट इज़ अबाउट व्हाट? डेट इज़ अबाउट द s ऑर्बिटल. s ऑर्बिटल के लिए हमेशा n होगा 1 और L होगा 0. नाउ इफ n इज इक्वल टू 2 देन वैल्यू ऑफ L इज गोइंग टू बी फाइंड आउट बाई 2 minus 1, सो 1. सो अगर n 2 है और L 1 है तो जो सबशेल है वो होगी p. ठीक है. देन n इज इक्वल टू 3, देन 3 minus 1, सो वी आर गेटिंग 2. तो वो ऑर्बिटल होगी d ऑर्बिटल. n इज इक्वल टू 4 एंड L इज इक्वल टू 4 minus 1 3 है तो नोटेशन ऑफ सबसेल इज f. डेट मीन्स वॉट यू आर डूइंग इज वैल्यू ऑफ L इज इक्वल टू 0 तो जो सबसेल है वो होगी s. अभी तक हमने k शेल, L सेल, M सेल देखा था. नाउ वी हैव टू लर्न अबाउट S, P, D and F. G and H we don't have to learn right now. That you have to learn in the higher classes. So यहाँ पे अगर मैं वैल्यू ऑफ n लिखती हूँ, इफ n इज इक्वल टू 1 एंड L इज इक्वल टू 0 तो शेल होगी S. n इज इक्वल टू 2 है, L इज इक्वल टू 1 तो वो ऑर्बिटल होगी P. n इज इक्वल टू 3 है, L इज इक्वल टू 2 है तो वो होगी D. n इज इक्वल टू 4, L इज इक्वल टू 3 है तो सबसेल होगी F. दिस इज 5 एंड दैट इज 4. n is equal to 5, L is equal to 4, then G, and if n is equal to 6 and L is equal to 5, then F. So this is the notation of subcells. That means he says us about the notation of all the cells or the orbital. That is S orbital, P orbital, D orbital, F orbital and G and H orbital. अभी जो हमें पढ़ना है how to arrange the electron in this particular orbital. So till S to F you have to learn, not more than that. More than that you have to learn in the higher classes. So what we have learned today? Today we have learned about the azimuthal quantum number or subsidiary quantum number or angular momentum quantum number. उसका notation क्या होगा? Small l. ये क्या determine करता है? It determines about the subshell of the orbital. Then it says us about the particular notation of the subshells by using the formula n minus 1, where we are taking n is equal to 1, 2, 3. So we are getting the value of L which starts with 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. You can see here. So from that the value of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we are getting the notation of the subcell of the cell, that is S, P, D, F, G and H. So that is about the azimuthal quantum number. Now we'll just move to the next ML, that is magnetic momentum quantum number. So let us learn about that. Magnetic quantum number, you can see the symbol, that is ML. It represents, why L? Because the value of the magnetic quantum number is depend on the value of the subsidiary quantum number L. So we are denoting by ML. It representation about the orientation of the particular orbital in the particular axis which are x, y and z. The value of ML is depend on the value of L. So it is going to be find out by minus L minus 1, minus L minus 2, 0, 1, L minus 2, L minus 1. Rather than writing this, we are writing only that value of ML is going to be find out by minus L to plus L. Now we are starting with L is equal to 0. तो यहाँ पे ML की वैल्यू 0 मिल रही है. हाउ इट विल कम, विल सी. L इज इक्वल टू 0 और L इज इक्वल टू N इज इक्वल टू 1 है तो वो ऑर्बिटल यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो S है. दैट मीन्स उसके पास कोई सबशेल नहीं है कंटेनिंग ज़ीरो सबसेल्स बाय पुटिंग द वैल्यू -0 टू +0। यहाँ पे जो है वहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे -0 टू +0। डेट मीन्स अगर L 0 है तो ML की वैल्यू भी हमें 0 मिलेगी। वो इंडिकेट करता है कि S के पास कोई एक्स्ट्रा सबसेल्स है नहीं। नाउ ML L इज इक्वल टू 1 है तो ML व्हेन विल टॉक्ड अबाउट तो -L2 + L डेट मीन्स -1 टू +1। तो यहाँ पे मुझे मिलेगा -1 0 एंड +1। तो ये इंडिकेट करता है n इज इक्वल टू 2 L इज इक्वल टू 1 है तो जो पर्टिकुलर ऑर्बिटल का नोटेशन है वो है P। तो उसके पास 3 सब ऑर्बिटल है Px, Py एंड Pz। नेक्स्ट L इज इक्वल टू 2, n इज इक्वल टू 3 है और L इज इक्वल टू 2 है तो वो ऑर्बिटल होगी D। अब ML इज इक्वल टू -2 टू +2। सो व्हाट वी आर राइटिंग इज -2 -1 0 +1 एंड +2। तो यहाँ पे हो गई 5। तो उसके पास कौन सी 5 सब ऑर्बिटल है यहाँ पे देखते हैं तो dxy है, dyz है, dzx है, dz² और dx² - y²। लास्टली अबाउट द ऑर्बिटल f, if n is equal to 4 and L is equal to 3, so you can see here we are having the formula -3 to +3, so -3 -2 -1 0 +1 and +2 and +3, so total when you count it is 3 + 4 that is 7। that means कि f ऑर्बिटल के पास 7 सब ऑर्बिटल है। so that is about the magnetic quantum number, it is denoted by ml, it represented about the orientation of the particular orbit into respective axis। the value of ml is determined by the ml is equal to -L to +L। if L is equal to 0 then m is equal to 0, which indicating that S is having no suborbital। if L is equal to 1, so we are getting ML is equal to 3, which indicating that P has 3 subshells Px, Py and Pz। so that is about respective one। so that is the magnetic quantum number। now we'll move to the particular spin quantum। now the last one is the fourth quantum number is called the electron spin quantum number ms। it introduced to explain the line spectra of multiple electrons in the atom। an electron spins around in own axis like earth spins around its own axis। thus it sees about the vector quantity and 2 types of orientation which are related with the axis children। so it orient in 2 particular ways, in upward manner as well as in the downward manner। so electron can spin in 2 ways। so to distinguish between these 2 orientation or the particular movement of the electrons, here value +12 and -1 are assigned to the spin quantum number ms that are known as 2 spin states of electrons। you can see that it are going to be represented by 2 arrows, up spin and down spin। so 2 different electrons having different values +12 and -12 which are there in the opposite spins। so electron whenever are there present in the orbital has capacity to hold maximum 2 electrons with opposite spin, up spin and down spin। what we have learned about the principal quantum number n, azimuthal quantum number L, magnetic quantum number ml and notation of the subshells। if you are talking about principal quantum number n is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, तो यहाँ से नोटेशन देख रहे हो S है जो बता रहा है कि S के पास कोई सबशेल है नहीं, इट इज़ नॉट हैविंग एनी काइंड ऑफ ओरिएंटेशन इन एनी काइंड ऑफ एक्सिस। देन वी हैव टू लर्न अबाउट P। when we are having P orbital, when the value of n is equal to 2 and value of L is equal to 1, which indicating that the value of ml is equal to 3, that means it has orientation is x axis, y axis along with z axis। in same manner D, when we'll talked about, it has 5 suborbital and that are dxy, dyz, dzx, dz², dx² - y²। and lastly F has 7 suborbital। so we just see one of the numerical based on it, and in the next lecture we'll learn about 2 more numericals which are there in the exercise. So just see over here, by using SP, D and F notation we have to describe the orbital. So very first given is n is equal to 2, L is equal to 1. So n is equal to, that means it is 2 orbital, L is equal to 1, which indicating P. So the orbital you can see here, that is 2p orbital. L is equal to 0 है तो वो s orbital is equal to 4 है तो वो 4s orbital. Then n is equal to 5 and L is equal to 3. L is equal to 3 indicating that f orbital it is, so it is 5f, and lastly L is equal to 2, so that is 3d. Children, kindly copied it down because it is the NCERT solution question of the exercise, so copied in the notebook. Thank you.